What is up, guys? Right now we're driving to Watsonville to go pick up some LED taillights. Alright, so I just picked up these IS300 taillights. Were super cheap. Just drove an hour out to pick these up, and they're LEDs. On eBay they go for like $290, $300, and I got that for under a third of the price. So first time taking off these taillights, but I don't think it should be that hard. I think it's just these two and some clips. So let's give it a try. All right, pop these clips out, and it's little 10 millimeters. Two. And let's see what other clips are there. Looks like these clips right here as well. So I'm assuming you just squeeze them and push them through. All right, so I just took out these two bolts, and a little persuasion, it just popped out. So really easy. Just gotta disconnect the wire right here, and I guess you gotta pull it through. So let me remove this grommet, or let's see what wires there are. Or you can just remove it from right here. All right, so this is the original light bulb that came out of this kind of salmon color one, and I believe you can just plug this one into that one and it should work. So I'm gonna plug it in and see if the taillights work, and everything else kind of just fits in where it's supposed to be. All right, so I got that side kind of in. I'm just testing if the light works. Huge difference, way better. Old and spray painted, cheap and better. All right, I got the lights in, and now they look pretty good. The old ones are still faded and red. I might just paint these over again just so it's, you know, shiny, kind of matches that. But overall, it was pretty cheap compared to these faded ones. But yeah, and they look good. I turned on the lights, and you can see everything works. Let me double check it again. And that's with the lights on. All right, so I'm gonna reverse the car back to the garage, and you guys can see how these taillights work and see how they look from behind. So, let's see. Here we go. All right, so those are the taillights right there. I hope you guys like my little pickup. Something small, but makes the car look a lot more modern. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.